Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel TechYard where we talk about everything tech. So today I have a short lesson to teach everyone. But before we go to the lesson, I want to give a shout out to Hazael. He's the person singing in the background, that's his music in the background. So please show him some love on Spotify, on YouTube, and check out his content. He has great music and great content. Okay, so now to the lesson. We have three essential shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts that you should know, and it's something you can use to brag or show people that you did from, you're also an IT person, you're an expert. Actually, be only the computer scientists and then the engineers and stuff. Actually, it will be awesome. All right, so without wasting time, I put a note at the far right, so in case you miss anything, you can just go to the notes and it will just show you everything you need to. Okay, so the first thing is how to access your file explorer. So all of these are keyboard shortcuts, so you wouldn't need even a mouse or anything. You just need to know the shortcuts, the keys to press. So the first one is our Windows key or your home key plus the E key. That's to open the file explorer. So when you press that in that particular sequence, so it's the Windows key first and then the E key, you get your file explorer open and then you can go to wherever you want to go to from here, if it's your documents, downloads, or any of your files. The second thing that I want to teach you is how to switch between tabs. Let's say you have 2, 3, 4, or 5 tabs open, and maybe you're having a presentation and it gets very hard to navigate through tabs and documents and files open and all of that. So what you do is you use the Alt and the Tab key. Right, so use the Alt key plus the Tab key. So the Alt key first and then the Tab key. So it opens all the tabs that you've already opened. So if let's say I want to go to Spotify because I have Eric's music there, you just click on tab again. So when you click on tab, it changes a highlight certain tabs. So you just select the tab you want to go to and then you release your hands off Alt. So that's it. Okay, so there's Eric's page, by the way, so please do show him some love. Please do show him some love. I love this song so much, so let me play it. Okay, and then the last but not the least will be how to take a screenshot. We have so so much important information when we're using our PC that we want to take a screenshot of. So how do we do that? It's the Windows key plus print screen. So print screen is normally located after the F12 key. So it depends on your keyboard layout, but you should be able to find it. So the home key first and then the print screen. So that will take a picture and it's like a snap, just like how it appears on your phone. So now, how do I get that screenshot I just took? Normally, it goes to your files, right? And it's at your picture section. So click on pictures and then go to screenshots. So yeah, this is just a screenshot you took right now. Okay, so thank you for this short video. Thank you for listening. Please do share, like, subscribe, share to someone, let someone learn something new, and I hope you learn something new as well. If there are any things you want to learn, just leave a comment and I'm sure I'll make a video about it. Okay, so watch out for more content, more reviews, all of that, reactions and all that. Okay, have a lovely day. Thank you. This is TechYard. Peace out.